We've recently added assignments to how the market works, so this is going to be a brief tutorial on how to add, manage, and see everyone who is in your class's progress for all of the assignments that you have. On the Contest that I've created page, you can find a new Manage Assignments button. There's a lot of information, a description of what an assignment is appears at the top of the page, but since you're watching this video, you can just listen to me. To create your first assignment, go to Create New Assignment button right at the center of the page. You'll need to give your new assignment a name, which can be anything you'd like it to be. And then you select first if you want to include each item in your assignment, and if you do want to include it, how many you would like to include. For things like reading different articles or watching videos, we recommend having only one. But if you're doing things like buying a stock or buying a mutual fund, we recommend having more than one. By default, all of our recommended values are here, so if you choose all these items and then have all trading options enabled on the site, this will be a fairly balanced assignment for your students to complete. Now, you can also have as many different assignments as you'd like on a single contest. So, for example, you can have your first assignment include things like read these 3 articles, watch these 2 videos, and then make a couple orders on the site. You can create this assignment, and then it'll appear for all of your students. You can then create a new assignment, which will have a few more things, like read these other articles, watch these other videos, and then make 10 more trades. You can also have a total trades counter, where you say you need to make 50 total trades with this assignment active, regardless of whether it's buying a stock, selling a stock, shorting a stock, buying a mutual fund, or anything like that. And you can create this assignment too. And again, this will appear for everyone who is in this contest, and they can choose this assignment and work on it whenever they like to. They don't need to be in class, they can do it as homework, and they can do it whenever and wherever they would like. Here you can view all the assignments that you've created. So this is an assignment I created before this video. It has everything enabled and everything on it. But since I created some other assignments already, I don't necessarily want to use this one. So once this is done, I can click Remove Assignment to remove this assignment from this contest. This will now no longer appear in any of the contest participants' portfolio. I also cannot see any progress of someone who's done this assignment before either. It's gone. So if you do want to remove a contest, make sure that you've already taken note of everyone's progress that you wanted to note. You can see everyone's progress using the report card here. You can switch between different assignments that you've created on this drop-down, and you can see everyone in your class's progress here. So for example, you see Kevin Smith with their username, their portfolio value, the last time they've logged in, and their total percentage completed for this contest. Everyone in your contest will appear in this list. You can also get the details of what exactly they've done by clicking the Details button. So for example, I see they haven't done anything except they bought 1 US stock. So I have 20% completed on this one assignment item, and everything else is 0. And their overall completion is 3%. You can get that same report for everyone in your class. Now, one last important note is that for everyone in your contest, they'll have the progress bar here for their assignments. They'll have to click here to view their assignment, and they can get a link here to see exactly what they need to do. So for example, the click here to trade for a mutual fund will take them to the mutual funds trading page. Click here for this article about stocks will take them to that article that they need to read. However, they need to be able to switch an active assignment. It will only account things for an active assignment. For example, this assignment has me buying 5 US stocks, which means that while this assignment is active and I buy a US stock, it counts towards this total. However, on this other assignment, I also have buy US stocks as my assignment item. If I buy US stocks while this assignment is active, it will not count towards the other assignment. So I have to have the assignment that I want to work on right now active when I'm doing that item. You can switch between which assignment is active by switching anything on this drop-down menu here. Once you switch it, it's the active assignment. So I can go into the trading page and make any trades I want to for that assignment, or go into the Education Center or read any relevant articles for that assignment. That's the important note for your students to make. If you think that your student has completed some of these assignment items, but it's not appearing in their assignments list, it's possible they had the wrong assignment active and so it didn't count towards when they were working on. An example is filling out a worksheet that wasn't part of their homework. Just because they did it doesn't mean they got the assignment done. If you have any questions about using assignments, you can contact us at the top right-hand corner of this page. We also have frequent webinars for teachers talking about how to use assignments and how to use how the marker works in the classroom. You can find that list of our webinars in the Education Center at the top here, Teacher Resources, and Upcoming Webinars. We usually try to have 6 scheduled coming up at any given time, but if you don't see one that's scheduled in a time that works for you, just contact us and we'll help you with it at any time.